Hi, welcome to Rado's Baking Lab. Today, I'll be sharing a delightful recipe with you, Lime Mango Panna Cotta. This Italian classic is incredibly easy to make but guaranteed to impress. Before we dive in, just a quick reminder. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. It really means a lot to me and helps the channel grow. First, we're going to prepare our mold. For this recipe, I'm using 3-inch cake rings, but feel free to use ramekin cups or even a glass, whatever you prefer. Now we can start making the lime panna cotta. In a heat-proof bowl for the bain-marie, add the milk, half of the heavy cream, sugar, white chocolate, and lime zest. While that heats up, soak the gelatin sheets in cold water. Place the bowl over the bain-marie and gently stir the mixture. Once it reaches 50 degrees Celsius or 122 degrees Fahrenheit, the chocolate will have melted and everything is ready to come together. First, add the soaked gelatin sheets and stir until fully dissolved. Then, pour in the remaining heavy cream, followed by the lime juice. Mix everything well, and your panna cotta is ready to be poured into the mold. Fill your prepared molds with the mixture and let them set in the refrigerator until firm. Next, we're making a super simple mango compote. Start by peeling and dicing fresh mango. Soak the gelatin sheets in cold water. In a saucepan, combine mango puree, water and sugar, then bring it to a boil. Once it's boiling, add the soaked gelatin sheets and stir until they dissolve. Then, add the lime zest and pour the mixture over the diced mango, mixing everything together. Let the mango compote cool to room temperature, then layer it on top of the panna cotta. Afterward, chill everything in the fridge until it's ready to serve. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, keep baking and creating.